Today, boys and girls, you are going to pick 6 high-frequency words from our list that you do not know how to spell. And you are going to write them on this sheet of paper. You're going to write the 6 words down this column. Then you're going to close your flap 1. And you are going to look at the first word that you need to write. It is people. I don't know how to spell people, so I wrote people on the line. I'm going to close flap 1. I'm going to open flap number 2, and I'm going to spell people. I spelled people under flap 2. Now I'm going to open flap 1 and make sure that I spelled it correctly. And I'm going to continue to do this for flap 3, 4, and then I will come back and write my second word I need to know how to spell. And I'll do the same thing under each flap. Remember, think about these words.